Hi friends, may your attention please. We are in the mechanical final year at KLR College of Engineering and Technology. Myself Saitej Academies at my team members are Vamsi, Sohail, K. Vamsi, Pram Kalyan. As we know that India is land where 60% of the land is occupied with agriculture area. As per survey reports in India, 80% of the farmers are marginal farmers who do not have the proper equipment to develop their land. Fertilizer spraying is a major task for farmers which consumes more time and hard to carry the tank on their back for a longer period. A 16 liters knapsack sprayer has to mount on the back and has to spray manually, which leads to tiredness and pain in the spinal cord and muscles due to the heavy weight of the tank. The small farmers cannot pay more money for fertilizer purposes in fields such as sugarcane, soybean, corn, cotton, etc., with battery sprayers or other tractor motor sprayers. Then our team decided to manufacture a product that solves all the problems of farmers with low-cost equipment. After many plannings and designs with the guidance of our professors, we created a wheel-based agriculture fertilizer sprayer, which is easy to operate, manufacture, and eco-friendly. The required components for this project are a knapsack sprayer of capacity 16 liters which can be operated both ways with the change of handle. It contains a hose pipe of length 110 centimeters, piston, nozzle, and a cut-off valve. We have taken extra nozzles, cut-off valves, and extension rods. Along that with we need a tire, supporting wheels, bearings, sprocket, grippers, chain, hollow structural section, and a crank. First, we created a frame with hollow structural rods. With the help of arc welding, all parts are welded and cut with the help of a cutter. Holes are made by using a drilling machine. Later, as per design, all parts are mounted on the frame and connected. We kept an adjustable rod so that it can be moved up and down based on the requirement. This model works on a slider crank mechanism that converts rotary motion into reciprocating motion. Now let us see how the wheel-based agriculture fertilizer sprayer works. When we push the system, the wheel rotates and the sprockets are rigidly mounted on it, and there is no relative motion between wheel and sprocket, and this sprocket is connected with another sprocket called a driven sprocket by the rollers, chain. And this sprocket is fixed on the driven shaft with the help of the bush mechanism. The shaft is connected with a crank, therefore the rotary motion of the wheel is converted into reciprocating motion. For every revolution of the driven shaft, the crank makes two reciprocated motions like forward and backward. Due to this, the connecting rod on the crank makes two reciprocating movements, and this crank is connected to the piston of the pump cylinder. So due to this movement, the piston move up and down motion, and that creates the suction and compression strokes. In suction stroke, the low pressure is created in the pump cylinder that is below the atmospheric pressure. Due to that low pressure, the liquid is sucked into the pump cylinder through an agitator, where the fluids are mixed homogeneously according to the ratio of the system is safe for operation, does not require any external source of energy. Its maintenance cost and the initial cost are also less, and it mainly reduces human efforts in pumping and saves time. It can be used in agriculture, horticulture, and floriculture. Thanks for your attention. We are thankful for our Hod Sunthosi Radam ma'am, our guide Divya ma'am, and Pradeep sir.